Google announced an artificial intelligence chatbot technology called Bard that the company will begin rolling out in the coming weeks. Bard will compete directly with rival ChatGPT, an AI service created by OpenAI. Hi, this is Farhana. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about the AI wrestle between Microsoft and Google. If you haven't heard it yet, both just had massive announcements regarding their AI innovations from both tech giants, and I'm about to explain the main difference between the two. Google Bard versus ChatGPT. While both of them are all chatbots, there are quite a few fundamental differences between both the platforms. While Bard was created by Google, a multinational corporation, ChatGPT comes from OpenAI, a startup. Google Bard versus ChatGPT. OpenAI created a revolution in the artificial intelligence world when it first launched ChatGPT in November 2022. The conversational chatbot held capabilities of content generation, answering specific questions asked by the user, as well as remembering previous questions to develop a context and having a fairly intelligent conversation. In just a month since its launch, the application gained more than 100 million users, a number even TikTok, the previously fastest growing app, took about 9 months to achieve. But today, Google launched its own alt chatbot called Bard, which will challenge ChatGPT and its position in the industry. So, what are the main differences between the two platforms? Let's take a closer look. ChatGPT does not use the internet for its responses. It has been fed with extremely large sets of data, 570 gigabytes or 300 billion words, to create its knowledge base. Google Bard, however, does make use of the internet. The lightweight model, which uses the Lambda infrastructure, can draw information from the internet to provide answers in human-like texts. This means Google Bard has a more up-to-date knowledge base. The basic version of ChatGPT is free for public usage, and anyone can sign up to the platform to use its services. There is a paid version of the platform called ChatGPT Plus, which gives features like 24/7 availability, unlimited number of chats and requests, faster response time, and early access to new features. On the other hand, Google Bard is currently under testing and is accessible to only a few people. CEO Sundar Pichai has revealed that it will be made available to the general public in weeks to come, and an API version will also be created for businesses. Microsoft has invested heavily in ChatGPT, and it is believed that in return, OpenAI will let its chatbot be integrated into the Bing search engine. While nothing is confirmed about Google Bard, it is expected that it will be a part of the native Google search engine. It definitely seems that Google at least tries to create an AI implementation that will benefit all users in some way. But Google has a very active competition in Microsoft, who also had a presentation recently. Microsoft has announced that the next generation version of ChatGPT will be used to revamp their web browser Edge and Bing, the search engine it uses. This will be one of Microsoft's biggest efforts yet to lead a new wave of technology and reshape how people gather information, and the company plans to invest billions of dollars in the AI investment. It seems to me that Microsoft and Google came to very similar conclusions in their AI researchers, and we can only see how both companies will progress from here. Microsoft has also announced that AI will generate meeting notes in Teams, its collaboration software, as well as suggest email replies to vendors using its Viva Sales subscription. Google, of course, maintains the most up-to-date record of web content on Earth, and no doubt Bard will be using that information to its benefit, but exactly how it processes and packages that information for you and your 9-year-old will only be clear once people start using it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, it means a lot, and subscribe if you are new here and you want to see more. And I will see you in the next one.